quick, before we jump into this video, in honor of the two huge announcements that you're going to be hearing, we're going to be doing another huge Work For It giveaway, especially because we have a ton of new Work For It shirt designs, one of which that I'm wearing, and the long-awaited sweatshirts are back in stock. So anybody that places an order on a shirt or a hat in the next, we'll do 72 hours, we're going to be throwing money in your order. Could be $1, could be $20, could be, might even do $100 based on the theme of what this video is going to be about. So head on over to WorkForItApparel.com, the link will be right here, but don't worry, it'll also be down in the description if you want to watch the video first. Let's roll to the video. What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. Do you hear Gunner's tail wagging like crazy? He is one excited pup because today is not just a normal video. It's not just a normal day. Today is a huge, and I mean huge milestone for the channel. I mean, we haven't hit it yet, but we are so close. I had to tune into this video. You know, I haven't even gone to work today because I am not leaving this house until we hit that milestone, 100,000 subscribers. So let's check where we're at right now. You excited, buddy? You seem really excited. Say what's up to the people, Gunner. Big old tail wagging back there. All right, guys, let's do a little update with our live subscriber count here. Let's see where we're at. 99,993 subscribers. Now, of course, if you're watching the big football game or there's a bunch of stuff going on, you gotta have multiple screens, right? So we've got one computer on, two computers on, we've got the big TV on, and for some weird reason, that thing is like lagging behind. I don't know how people that sit here and watch these live subscriber counts do it when they're about to hit big milestones. You know, I thought this was possibly gonna happen last night. It got to where we were about 50 shy right before I went to bed, and I was like, dude, I don't wanna go to bed. If this happens when I'm asleep, I'm gonna be devastated. Maybe not devastated, but it's really gonna suck. I'd love to see it roll over, kind of like the odometer on your truck when it rolls over. But we've got 6 more to go, and I need to keep myself occupied until we get 6 more subscribers. Let's go find something to do. Subscribers! I cannot believe we just hit 100,000 subscribers. I don't know why you're not updating Smart TV. Come on, you're killing me. But we still got it there. We still got it there. I seriously feel like I need to go running through the streets right now. I think I've done about 4 laps around the house. I'm so freaking stoked for this. We did it, guys. There's not a whole lot of times in my life I've been able to say that I'm speechless, but yeah. We did it, guys. This came so much sooner than I expected. I want to sincerely thank every single one of you guys for watching the videos. I want to thank every one of my friends that have ever been in a video. You guys know Chris, Dave, Josh, all the other friends, all the guys over at Preston's that are in the videos, everybody that works with me that's in my videos. You know, I show up to a job site with a camera and expect them to act normal or at least be the entertaining selves that they are, and it's really hard. It's not easy to be on this side of the camera. If you guys have never done it, I encourage you to try it. It is not easy, and all my friends and family and everybody's just really kind of fit in and filled in their roles kind of like they do in my life in the videos, which allows you guys to see just exactly kind of how I live my day-to-day life. And for whatever reason, you guys find that entertaining, and you guys have just come along with me on this journey and have really helped kind of build what we're standing in. You know, we're in Work For It World Headquarters thanks to all of you guys for helping to build that idea, that ideology, that motto, that brand. And I just realized this looks horrible on the back screen. I don't know why the TV will not update to 100. Let's hit it. Let's see if we refresh the page. All right, we've kind of remedied the whole TV situation. I think I just want to sit in this chair and just spin and just see what it feels like. Just be surrounded by 100K. You know, it's funny, I've watched my share of YouTubers kind of watching their live countdown or their live, I guess, subscriber count up to hit a milestone they were after, and I've always kind of wondered, like, what does that feel like? And in between that last clip and this clip, I think I've sat here for about 5 minutes, just kind of in silence, just trying to really take it all in, because I am forever grateful for all of you guys for subscribing to this channel. commenting, sharing with your friends, giving insight. You know, just it's an amazing community out there, especially in the truck community, especially in the blue collar community, and to have a spot where we can all come together and share ideas and entertain each other. Yeah, this is a cool feeling, guys. I can't thank you guys enough. Alright, so as you guys know, I do not like to clickbait, and whatever you see in the title of my video is what's happening, and well, here is this huge announcement. What better day than on the day that we hit 100,000 subscribers to let you guys know. You know, I said it in the past, and we're going to have an update video on the main question all of you guys asked, but bear with me. That video is coming very, very soon. I'm finally able to kind of tell you guys all of what happened with my old Silverado. But what I'm about to tell you was supposed to happen last year. And obviously, Silverado's gone, so that didn't end up happening. But as you guys know, with the GMC being the BBB, the bigger, badder, better build, and not letting anything stop me from coming back from what was tragedy, but we are now going to turn into triumph, I've got in front of me right here 2018 SEMA contract. You heard that right. We are taking the BBB build to SEMA this year, and I'm about to sign that contract at 100,000 subscribers. What better timing? Now, I don't know if I'm supposed to show you guys all this, so we're going to breeze through this stuff real quickly, and I'm not also obviously not going to fill out my personal information on camera, but the one thing I will do is I will sign this contract on camera. 7, 19, 18, boom. There it is, guys. We are confirmed. We are going to SEMA 2018. We are going to be in the Dub lifted and leveled booth, which to me, I believe is one of the largest booths there, or at least Dub I know comes out with one hell of a show. So I'm super honored and super stoked to make it in this year and to bring you guys along this journey. I told you guys the BBB build was going to be something different, and I wanted to take you guys from conception, from the day we had the rendering. I don't even know where it is, but there's a rendering in here somewhere. Found it. The day we had the rendering done, which was the most important and crucial part in the very beginning. So now obviously the truck is over at Preston's getting built, and we are getting closer and closer to a completion date every single day. To now we are going to accomplish one of my biggest dreams, and that is to have a truck in SEMA. You know, I want to thank all of you guys for helping to make that possible. Sean over at SR Designs, everybody that's partnered up with me, Preston's for building the truck, Bulletproof for making the custom one-off coilover front end that they made for the truck, Sean the powder coater, everybody. Obviously, this is not like some big acceptance speech because we're not in SEMA yet, but without everybody that has come together through the channel, for the truck, everything. You know, one of my favorite sayings is it's not what you know, it's who you know, because it is so crucial to surround yourself with good people, people that share the same dreams and the same visions that you do, and people that are willing to work as hard to achieve those dreams as you guys do. You know, I'm ready to come back with a huge vengeance this year. The BBB, the bigger, badder, better build is going to be a showstopper, and we will definitely be having more info coming up as we get closer to SEMA, as we put it in other shows. I will definitely be keeping you guys in the loop on where to go, where to see the truck in person, and obviously continue to take you guys along with this journey, because obviously we hit 100K doesn't mean we shut down, we go celebrate, and we go home when we retire. Hell no, we got bigger dreams, bigger goals, and we're going to keep chasing those. Now, I don't know exactly what we're going to do for a 100K celebration. To be honest, this kind of caught me off guard. It is a Thursday, and obviously we're not going to celebrate today because we really do have some work to get done with the popcorn project. I got to go patch some drywall. We got final inspection today, and then that thing is ready to go, and they're ready to start making some money. Gunnar, are you excited, buddy? We hit 100K. I think we need to go tell Dave that we hit 100K in person, because I know he does not know at all. I don't even know if he knows how exactly close we were in this time frame. And then obviously we got to go tell Chris. Chris, I think, is obviously way more tuned in to how many subscribers we had, but we got to tell Chris in person too. But first we need to run to the popcorn store. I'm going to show you guys kind of what it looks like essentially finalized before they kind of move in the popcorn and all that. But you know, work does come first, so we got to go get some drywall patched up before the final inspection, and then we'll go say what's up to Dave. Well, we just wrapped up our drywall patch over here. Now I was gonna head over and finish up some more work, but I feel like it just is not right to hit 100K and not go see the BBB build. So I say we head on over to Preston's right now. Let's check out the build and see where they're at.
any kind of leak.
Okay.
The hose blows off. So we got these bars on this morning.
Oh, nice.
We're gonna do the other side next.
What do you think about the white?
I think it looks good, dude. I think it's a good contrast.
I like it, yeah. It would have been too much if we did all the copper.
I agree. It would have been way too much. What are we gonna do with that exhaust system? Because that looks like dog shit.
Talk to Sean about ceramic coating the exhaust black. I think that's the plan for the exhaust.
Yeah, sounds good.
This looks sweet. Wow, these are huge.
Yeah, it's pretty early.
I love it. Absolutely love it.
So it looks like we got the first of the 4 link bars on, and I know we were all talking about how we're not sure how we're going to feel about the white. Trust me, I was in the same boat. Now, obviously, it's not out in the sun, and the copper brackets up there look a little bit dark, but once we get this thing out in the sun, I think the white's going to be a good idea, because I think if we would have done everything in the copper, it would have been way too gaudy looking having just copper on copper on copper. And one of the other things you guys have mentioned in the past is on the bulletproof front end, they had the round impact bars going to the front. Well, we're actually going to have Ultimate Air make some bars to match the rear on the front, but Ultimate Air is going to be, I guess the guy there that would want to make them is out for 3 weeks on vacation. So we're probably going to end up bolting the bulletproof round bar ones back on the front as a temporary until we can get these rear ones made. What's up, brother?
What's up, Big Sexy?
You guys having fun on that thing yet?
Oh yeah, we're always having fun on that thing.
I think the white
I've had Zach pushing hard on that thing.
Good shit, bro. Well, I wanted to come celebrate with you guys. Thank you guys. We got to 100,000 subscribers.
That's awesome.
That is because of all you guys.
That is
so
awesome.
I had to come thank you, bro. Much
Anytime,
appreciated, man.
pleasure.
I'm gonna get out of your hair.
What's up, buddy? No. Say hi. Say hi.
Hey, great work, buddy. It looks great out there.
I'm trying.
You know, I came to thank you for helping me get to 100,000 subscribers. You shake my hand, dude. Why don't you fucking you don't touch my hand, bro? So thank you, brother. Keep up the good work. The truck looks beautiful.
Anything for you.
We appreciate what you did.
And of course, the big man.
Well, hello.
The big man. Oh, dude, you are in a chipper mood today, buddy. That is what I like to hear. Hey, man, I wanted to thank you too for helping me get to 100,000 subscribers.
Oh.
Thank you, brother.
So my last 2 subscribers that I did on fake accounts helped out.
It worked out beautifully. Great work.
Alrighty, well now we just left Preston's, and you know I had to take a minute to go thank all the boys in there. Obviously, this channel blew up and grew because of the truck content. You know, I am a firm believer you guys aren't here because of how pretty my beard that doesn't grow in is. So all of my trucks ever have been built here, and so you know you got to give credit where credit is due. So now we're gonna run over to the shop and say what's up to Dave and, you know, give him a little announcement. What's up, buddy?
Hey, yo.
How you doing, man? Looks like we got some welding going on over here, huh?
No.
No, not at all? You're just wearing a really nice hat.
Why would you say that?
I'm not sure. Well, hey, buddy, reason I got the camera, I mean, like you've never seen me walk around with cameras, I want to let you know and thank you for helping me get to 100,000 subscribers that we hit this morning.
That's awesome, John.
We did it, brother.
That's awesome, man.
We did it.
Well done, dude.
Thank
Well
you,
done.
man. Thank you. So, I don't know if I've ever mentioned before in a video. I feel like I've mentioned it at least once. This man right here, anytime we've ever been on a job and I'm like, man, you know, people are leaving comments. They'd love to see some of the work we do, yada, yada, yada. He's like, well, why don't you have a camera in your hand right now? You should have a camera in your hand 24/7. And so through this guy always telling me that is what really motivated me to start bringing the camera to the job sites, being more comfortable bringing a camera to job sites. And he also helps smooch over a lot of people that are kind of wondering, like, why the hell is this man walking around with a camera talking to himself? And Dave kind of plays referee and buffer on that. It's like, nah, let him do his thing. So thank you, brother. I appreciate that. I had to come celebrate with you because obviously that is a big milestone for us. So
That's yeah, we've been talking about this for like a year.
it's true. It's true. So we're gonna bask in the glory of this one. On to the next milestone, right?
A million, right?
I think so.
I mean,
Let's shoot for that one.
yeah.
Well, the sun is setting. It is late. We finally made it back to the garage over here, and as you guys probably saw in the intro to this video, look what just showed up perfectly in time for the 100,000 subscriber video. All the new WORKFORIT apparel designs, as well as the existing sweatshirts that you guys have been waiting for, are all going to be back in stock. And I want to apologize now for this video being like really choppy and really cut up. I assure you I did not plan that this was going to happen today, and I just was not expecting it. And of course, the video would not be complete without everybody's favorite, Chris, aka @CBailey619. What do you want to say to everybody? Because clearly,
It was all me.
it was all you.
It was all me.
It was all you. That's the reason we got to the 100K, was
Yep.
because you are just one of the biggest personalities on the channel.
Yep.
So what do you want to say to the people?
Thanks for subscribing. Subscribe. Cut.
No,
Cut.
no, we don't get a cut. And we did it. We did it. It was perfect.
I gotta ask Ryan something.
What do you gotta ask me, buddy?
Where are you getting your tattoo?
Where are you getting your tattoo? Easy. Hey, no. Hold on, let me hide it.
Oh.
So as you guys know, being that we hit 100K, now I know myself, Chris, Brandon, and I think there's a couple other people.
Eddie's Life.
Eddie's Life did say he was going to do it too.
Yep.
We all said if we hit 100,000 subscribers on this channel, we're all getting WORKFORIT tattoos. And well, I'm a man of my word.
I gotta figure out where to put mine.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll help you with that.
Okay.
So that is also going to be coming very soon and very shortly in the video. Well, anyways, like I said, guys, I apologize for this video being all cut up because I just really did not have this plan today. And we've done a lot of driving around. I think we've celebrated with most of the people we need to celebrate with that are local and easy to drive to today. But I do want to sincerely thank every single one of you guys for helping to get this channel to where it is, for giving me this platform to be able to produce content for you guys, because it all is for you guys. It's made for you, and hopefully it entertains you, and hopefully you get to take something away from every single one of my videos. I know Chris has enjoyed getting recognized around town, even though he acts like maybe not, but I'm pretty sure he loves it. You love it, buddy?
I love it.
There you go. All right, guys, so we got a true 100K video coming at some point. I just could not pass up the moment to do it live and in the day of, and yeah, so that's what this video is. Thank you guys so much. I don't even know if I should. I don't even know if I should say it, man. I mean, I guess if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe.
You need to.
Yeah, man, I need a tissue. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button now. Please give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Drop down in the comments. Did you just touch my arm?
I mean, you got a muscle shot. I gotta feel your muscles.
All right. Well, how'd they feel?
They're big.
Anyways, drop down in the comments where you guys think, or what you guys think I should do for the WORKFORIT tattoo, as well as where Chris could do it, because he's really just like, he is scratching his head right now, trying to figure out where he's gonna put this tattoo. Also, don't forget to check out WORKFORIT Apparel, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta what?
Work for it.
All right, well, I think the time has come, man. We gotta wrap this video up.
Yep.
I don't know if I've ever said it in a video. Have I ever said it?
I don't think so.
Do you want to say it?
What? Together.
Together? Okay, like a 1, 2, 3,
Like
go, or like a one on 3?
Yeah, like 1, 2, 3.
Then go. Okay.
Ready?
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Roll the outro.
Wait, hold
oh,
on.
what?
I was about to say work for it. I don't know what.
All right, start over.
All right.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Roll the outro.
Damn.